I live in Denmark, and I realized that Denmark, of all the Nordic countries, is unfortunate one. All the other Nordic countries have beautiful nature. When God was distributing the nature among countries, he was very generous to some Nordic countries. Like Iceland, you get geysers, you get glaciers, you get volcanoes. And Finland and Sweden, you get forests, you get lakes. Norway, you get fjords, you get mountains. And then it became 4 p.m., which is end of working day at Nordic countries. And God was like, my job is done, time to go home. And Denmark was like, hey, God, what about us? Oh, for helvete. I have to pick up my son. Wait. This is Lego. Go play. You're small anyway.